Hello there awesome people, I'm Tauqeer and today I'm gonna unpack my new Me bag. First time order something online from Xiaomi store. So let's check it out. How is it? It cost me 1500. Its actual price is 1300, but because of shipping it cost me for 1500. Finally, beautiful. So this is from inside. You can put a lot of things inside. Very good quality material. Good stuff. Pack stuff is feels like gonna be very sweaty. Very lightweighted. Just like a paper. Here is the front pocket. I can put my phone on it. So small side pocket. Okay. I cannot put a big laptop, but small laptop or maybe a tablet. Comparison with my old laptop bag and my small bag, a good smart size bag. Let's put it on all my things in it. I hope I can easily put all my things on it. Let's first put my phone on it. Yes, it's easily get in, and it is so much safe because this bag is waterproof. My gloves, done. My sunglasses, my mask on it, my glasses, my wallet. Let's put it on in side pocket. Sanitizer, very much needed in this COVID-19. Perfume, a pen. Let's put it on the front pocket. Trident, let's put it on the other side pocket. Here it is. Oh, I forget my bottle. It's a little bit bigger, but because the stuff is strong, Here it's done. Stuff and zips are very good quality. You can also put bottle inside the bag. Okay, can't put a big laptop on it because bag is so small size.